Welcome to episode 2 of How to Code. And in this episode, we're going to take a look at variables, what they are, and how to use them. So, we're going to be taking knowledge from our previous video, and we're also going to be learning something new in this video. So, before we get started, go into your View tab, open up your output. There you go. We need this when we code so we can see what the code does, and if we have any errors. And then what we can do is insert a script. We do not need this. Hello world. But first, how do you set up a local or a variable? What we could do is we can go local number is equal to 10. And then if we hit print number, it will print 10 because the value of this is 10, right? And then when we hit play, it'll equal to 10, just like that, right? You could also run this. There you go. 10. I'll print 10 again. Keep printing 10 because that's like the answer to this. But we could also do this. Local. We'll change this to text is equal to wow. But since we didn't like, it'll equal to nil because we don't have a number variable. We have to change the variable, right? And then we print it. Now it will print wow because the text is equal to wow, right? But what if we wanted to do something else? Like, what if we were to use multiple variables? Like, we could do local. Now let's do another number. Local number is equal to this. And then what we could do is we could go print number. So now it'll print this wow and the number. There you go. Now it has wow and it printed the number. But let's say, what if we want to randomize a number? How would we do that? Well, the way we do that is we can go print math.random, because this math.random means it'll print out a random number for us. If you put text in here, it won't really work, right? What we then do is we now put the smaller number that in the front, and then we put a comma, and then the bigger number at the end. And what we could do is print wow, and then local number. Whoops. Then we print number, not local number. Then we print this, and now I'll say wow 15. Right? We play this. Wow 99. Wow 4. But what if we were to want to place wow and the number in the same line? How we'll do that is we basically just do this. Print text, comma, number. And now we do this, it'll print wow 62. And then we run this again. Wow 41. Let's say that you want this comma to actually be in here. What we could do is we could also do this and then physically type in a comma. And then what we'll do is column expected got number. Whoops, what did it expect? Oh, we need a comma. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Forgot to put a comma. There we go. Wow, comma 40. Right now we get commas in here. Wow, comma 60. Right? We could do this. We could also do. See, that's pretty much how we could do that. We could also change variables in the middle of the code. So, for example, wow number. Right? And then we could also change this to be like wow. And then what we could do is we could put in a wait here. We're gonna change like the number. So we're gonna wait 2 seconds. This, you just like wait 2 seconds, right? And then we go here. Let's make number is equal to math.random 100 to 500. And then we go print. We're going to create another variable here. What we're going to do is we're going to create another variable called local text. We cannot do the same text or else this will just be different. We can do local text2 is equal to is equal to wait you changed, right? And now we could do text2 comma number, then we hit play. It'll go wow 30, and then wait you changed to 143, right? See, and then when we do this, it'll just like keep doing that. Wow 88, wait you changed 383. If you don't want it to, we could also do the same thing, like 1 to 100, and then it'll just like change, right? We could keep doing this forever. This is pretty much what you could do. Wow 9, right? And then it'll go wait you changed. We could also make the wait delay a bit shorter, or if you want no wait delay, you can just delete the wait, and then we hit play. It'll do the same thing. Wow 63, wait you changed 15. Okay, basic. Anyways, that's it for this video. It's very basic. Make sure to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we're going to be taking a look at functions. So stay tuned for that, and have a nice day.